And it goes a little something like,
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bethany Lynn. Thank you guys for tuning in for another video. So today I'm going to be doing an eye video. I am going to be showing you guys how I cover my dark circles, raccoon eyes, whatever you guys want to call it. Yeah, so, and I've already done this eye, so I'm going to show you guys how I did that and how I achieved that look and how many steps it involves. And it's really not a lot of steps, so it's pretty easy. So I was like, let me hop on here and make a video out of it. And you guys, also before I get into this, I want to remind you guys, I have a giveaway going on right now, a nail giveaway, a nail kit giveaway, Polygel nails. It's a set that I did on myself. So yeah, it's a you guys, I'm drawing a blank. It's a nail kit giveaway. So yeah, it's got all kind of cool stuff in there, and it's in the description box below, all that good stuff on how to enter. And I've got a few people subscribing, and I really appreciate it, you guys. I really appreciate the love. And yeah, so you guys go check that video out. It's my previous video, and I'll leave that in the link. And yes, hopefully you guys will enter to win, and good luck. Okay, so before we get into it, I need you guys to like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, share, and turn those post notifications on. And yeah, we'll get into the video. Guys, I'm back, all in your face. Okay, so I had to get up close so you guys can see how I do this and all that good stuff. I don't know, y'all, I need to work on saying I say too much. I need to work on stop saying it so much. I'm not saying it so much. Okay, so you guys see it's dark through here and dark through there. So what I'm gonna do is go in there with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, the color orange, and I'm just gonna place a few drops. So you guys, it's like a squeeze tube, little brush. As you squeeze it, you can see it comes out there. So I'm just gonna put a few, maybe about 3 dots for right now. Then I'm gonna use my blending brush. I'm just gonna kind of tap at it like that. Place it in those areas where there's darkness. And you guys, when you get up under here, it will help if you look up while you're doing it. It feels weird, but it will help with like the creasing. It'll help keep your eye makeup from creasing too much. Looks like you got a big orange circle around your eye. But using orange helps cancel out the dark, so that's why you would want to use a red color or orange color to help with the dark spots, okay? And I'm also going to do on my eyelid too, on the top, because like I said, it's dark pretty much all around my eye. I hope everybody's having a good day today, a blessed day today. Even though it's the weekend, I still haven't really got out and done much because of all this stuff that's going on right now with the coronavirus and stuff. So I'm just staying put. Everybody, pretty much everybody that knows me knows I'm not going nowhere. I'm a homebody. It's just all it is. So yeah, and you guys, every time I do this, it always seems like my eye wants to water. And also see how I'm getting on the bridge of my nose, because that's where it's a little dark spots too. So I'm just getting all of that too. Okay, let's see how we're looking. Okay. Okay, guys, I think that is good. Now, I see how that already has kind of made some of the darkness go away. Made some of the darkness disappear. Okay, guys, so that's what it's looking like with the, not the concealer. Well, yeah, with the orange concealer on there. That's what it's looking like. And then now I'm going to go back in with Wet n Wild concealer in the color tan, I believe. Let me see. Medium tan. Medium deep tan. We gonna focus or not? Okay, I don't know. But anyway, that's the color that I'm gonna be using. And the same thing, I'm just gonna go in with a few drops at a time. And this time I'm gonna be switching up brushes. This one's a little bit thicker than my last brush. And it helps to use a small amount of product starting out. You don't want to use a whole lot, because what I had been doing in the past was just like doing it like that, or putting too much on there when I would do that, and it would basically like almost like just wipe off because I had too much on there. So the product works in better whenever you don't have so much on there at a time, okay? It spreads out better. Oh, yeah, I'm telling you, this glitter. My face is breaking out. It's breaking out. Okay. I feel like it's starting to disappear. Slowly but surely. Okay. Now, we're gonna work on this top lid. I don't know, I feel like I got deep set eyes, you guys. And it's kind of hard to make the darkness go away when you have deep set eyes, I feel like. Because you see, it's still like there, but the for the most part, the dark circles are gone. It's just that crease in my eye, I guess. This feels funny. Okay. I feel like it's starting to disappear, you guys. I feel like I'm getting it. feel the waterworks coming. Trying to fight it back, trying to hold it back. Oh. So yeah, you guys, this is not too bad. It's not hard at all. Like I said, only two steps you gotta do. So basically, I'm using 2 concealers, an orange concealer and a tan concealer. And then after that, I will just go in and put my makeup on. And then, yeah, pretty much have it. Sorry, you guys, I'm being quiet. I'm just trying to focus here. Making sure I get all the spots. Don't miss anything. And this too, also, if you guys wear eyeshadow, that will help pop, make the eyeshadow pop. Having that concealer on top will help make the eyeshadow color stand out more. Ooh, see, look at that glitter. Y'all, a mess, a mess. All right. All right, guys, what do you think? I feel like they're, let's see, get this eye a little bit better. So I feel like I got it. I feel like I got them gone for now until I wash it off. But yeah, you guys comment down below, tell me what you think. I feel like this is something that like I said, pretty much anybody can do because it's easy. It's only 2 steps, involves 2 steps. So make them babies disappear. Okay. Circles who? Circles where? Okay. I don't see any. I think I got them disappeared pretty good, y'all. So you guys, hopefully this video helped you guys. Follow along with the tips that I gave you and you should have success and hide those bad boys. That way nobody can see them, nobody knows you got them. So yeah, like always, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, turn those post notifications on, and thumbs up the video. All right, you guys have a blessed day, and like always, peace and God bless. See you in the next video.